with a life that feels lighter. No mental fog, no digital chaos, no relationships that drain you. Just pure, intentional space, ready for the person you're becoming. Sound impossible? Let's make it reality. Today, we're hitting the reset button on everything. In 24 hours. Start where your eyes land first. Your environment. Your space isn't just where you live, it's how you live. Grab 3 boxes. Trash, donate, relocate. Now, attack one room at a time. That shirt you haven't worn since 2019? The expired spices laughing at your cooking goals? If it doesn't fuel your future, thank it and let it go. Pro tip: play upbeat music. It turns clutter into a dance-off against chaos. This isn't just tidying, it's sending a message to the universe. I'm ready for more. Best, your digital life. Open your phone. How many apps do you actually use? How many emails are screaming, "Read me"? Unfollow accounts that make you scroll mindlessly. Delete apps that steal your focus. Turn off notifications, all of them. Your phone should serve you, not sabotage you. Imagine your brain sighing in relief. Now, open your laptop. Files named Untitled Document 47. Trash them. Your digital space should feel like a Zen garden, not a junk drawer. Here's where most people stop. Don't grab a journal. Write down every limiting belief. I'm stuck. I'll never. Now cross them out. Replace them with I choose growth. I am capable. Burn the old list safely. Watch those lies turn to ash. Your mind isn't a storage unit for outdated stories. Next, audit your habits. That late night doom scrolling, the snooze button you marry every morning. Replace one toxic habit with a tiny victory. 10 minutes of meditation. A walk instead of TikTok. Small shifts crack open big doors. Now, the hardest part. People. Who drains your energy? The friend who gossips. The coworker who complains. You don't need drama to feel alive. Send a kind but firm text. Let's take a pause. Protect your peace like it's gold. Surround yourself with voices that whisper, "You can." This isn't cruel, it's self-respect. Your tribe should inspire, not expire. Finally, feed your new life. Open your fridge. Toss the snacks that numb you. Restock with food that fuels your fire. Then write a letter to your future self. This is who I am now. This is what I deserve. Seal it. Open it in 30 days. Congratulations. In 24 hours, you've done what most people avoid for decades. You're not just cleaned up, you're reborn. Now, step into your reset life. The world's been waiting for this version of you.